Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by prepping. Wash hands and remove makeup so the kit acts directly on skin. Once done, cleanse with a gentle face wash and pat dry. Make sure pores are open by steaming for 3-5 minutes or using a warm towel. Patch test the gold serum on your jawline for 10 minutes to confirm no reaction. Lay out cotton pads, spatula, and a timer. This avoids delays and ensures every product layer adheres evenly when you begin application. Next, apply the active components in order. You first spread the gold gel in a thin, even layer using the provided spatula so it sits on the surface and reflects heat for better absorption. Then dispense the ampoule/serum and press it into skin with circular motions for 60 to 90 seconds to boost penetration. Once absorbed, place the hydrogel mask or wrap to lock moisture. Make sure it seals at the edges, and set the timer for 15 to 20 minutes to letting. To finish, remove the mask slowly and rinse with lukewarm water until residue is gone. You want a calm, hydrated surface, so pat dry and follow with toner and moisturizer immediately. If you're stepping out, apply SPF. For maintenance, use once every 7-10 days. If you see redness, burning, or swelling, rinse with cool water for several minutes, apply a cool compress, and discontinue the kit. If symptoms persist or worsen, contact a dermatologist for assessment.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.